if you're replacing a bad rheostat dimmer control on this Marco panel, you're going to have to take it out of the stand. You have to take these screws off, and you'll probably have to take the back panel off and disconnect your connector. And this might be kind of hard to do because they're tight. There's a lot of connections there, so you may have to get your screwdriver and slowly pry it open as you're unlocking it to pull that wire harness out. And be sure to support your back panel so that it doesn't fall. You have power coming in on the red wire, and then there's two more leads coming off of that, which power your switches, your high voltage switches, your low voltages for your bulbs are going to be on another circuit. So this is just to connect the high voltage. Well, here it's 120 volts. And then going through your rheostat, it goes back through this blue wire. So these three wires, one wire coming in and two coming out, are all joined together. And a lot of times it's one big blob. Sometimes there's three holes for one for each wire that you would be soldering in, and then the output blue wire would be coming out by itself. And looking at the back of it, the power going in is going to be connected to this capacitor, and the other end is going to be, this capacitor is going to be connected to your output wire. So you have three going in, one going out. If you need to change your dimmer rheostat, that's what you're going to have to do. Now, if you don't have one, if you wanted to make it, if you wanted to put some kind of switch in there so you just turn it on and off so that you couldn't really affect the dimmer, you could put a little two-wire switch in here and connect it to the three wires here and the one wire here, and you could turn it on and off. Now with the three wires and the big blob of solder, it takes quite a while to heat that up for them to separate. So just be mindful of that with your soldering iron, it's going to take a while to heat that up to separate the wires. And if you wanted to replace the bulbs that are in these, you just pull off the cover, and then you can pull the bulb out and replace the bulb. Gently push it in and then put your switch back on. This is a basic diagram of the control panel, and here are the part names.